Yesterday I did a video, The Degenerate's Guide to Margin Use for a high yield dividend people, not warriors. And well, today we're going to explore what happened the next day. All in on margin, then the market crashed. What happened to Oracle? Right now it's in the evening, 6:30 p.m. Let's go over here. Today, the markets were down 398 points for the Dow, and everything else was right. Tomorrow, an early preview. It looks like it's going to be a red day. How did I fare? How did I survive? Take you to my side-by-side comparison. Although it was a bloody red day today, my account went from 414,000. This was the screenshot I showed you yesterday. What happened today? MicroStrategy had terrible news. They crashed. I was in winter. On ex-dividend, I was up about $8,000 today. My balance went from 414,000 to 430,000. I took profits from winter. I got rid of XDTE. Boom. Still, my balance is up. Look. Now, what did I keep? Maggie. I'm going to go into Maggie for everyone. Maggie, WPay, XPay. I'm going to do a twofer in this video. But I want you to know what happened to me on a red day when I was margined to the tits. $488,000 in margin. What did I do? I took profits, and then I bought Hood, and it was up $800. Gold. Round Hill Weekly, gold. Not the miners, but the gold. The miners is too affected by the market, so it's not a good hedge. Maggie turns out to be the best of the best. Circle was on sale. T-bill is my rewards, my collection center. All the profits I make, all the dividends, everything goes into T-bill. I bought some Palantir today, and my liquid was slightly down. Those are bonds. But overall, you had a red day. I had a very green day. Why? We pick different. Now, let me see if I can walk you over. One thing I pointed out to you yesterday was my cash balance. You see my amount of Maggie? All right, this is my core. It matched my cash balance. The Jetsons means that I can sell any of these at any point and jettison them, have no effect on my core, and pay my entire margin in one fell swoop. Because you are not. I don't care how much you're making a week or a month, okay? Even if you're the magical Khmer, you can't even pull this off, okay? There's no way you can pay that debt off before a market crash or something. So you have to take all the money, all your rewards, and build them up in T-bill, okay? So right now, today my rewards are greater. If I look over in T-bill, what's in T-bill? Let's see. Oh, I'm at the wrong side. So let me show you this. Press your face against the phone. There's 10,000 in T-bill today. Now, what am I holding for free? First of all, let's look at Maggie. 423 matches. Well, this one up. I had 414,000. But since my account went up at one point, it was 423. So I added shares. About $9,000 worth. And they were on sale. So, my core still matches my dollar amount. It's actually a better ratio. That means that I can collect all the money from Maggie. Well, the money from Maggie I put aside, but all the money from GLDW, all the money from, now this is going to be capital gains from Hood, from CRCL, from Palantir. Liquid pays 40 cents a month, big deal. But all the dividends, all the money I make from capital gains, everything, okay, goes into T-bill. And then when everything is sold except for my core position, which is Maggie, and I'm going to tell you why in a minute. Well, everything that's in T-bill is mine to keep. And you see, I used margin like a whore. And even on a down day, I was in the right things. I was up. My greatest win was winter. What a coinky-dink. I told the people in my group, in my paid Apex group, there's a link below the video. Okay, and actually, we have a lifetime deal going on right now. But you'd have to click show more. There's a couple of links under my videos now. So today we were up, what, $15,000? Not bad. We swapped out positions, we took profits, and we're waiting on dividends. We're getting paid from winter, probably tomorrow. Almost $1 a share on 3,000 shares. So we have 500 Palantir for a little while, 500 Circle because they were dirt cheap, okay, and 750 Hood because I believe in them. Gold, weekly, pays, I tell you something. I think that's what I want to make this video about. How I did being all in on margin to the tits on a degenerate day. Margin to the tits. I did it right. So, I don't know. Everything worked out perfect. How did it work out for you today? Those of you that don't know, this is March, and those are her tits. And when you're margined to the tits, the one thing you don't want to do is get commured.
And then I'm going to take that money to pay bills. That's just pay bill. That's coming on Friday. And then on Wednesday, I get paid by WPay, and it feed back itself. On Thursday, get paid by KYLD, it feed itself. On Wednesday, I'm going to get paid by PLTI, MSII. That money, right now, it's going back itself, but eventually it's going to go buy one of these guys here, Grow. And then on Friday, I'm going to close out MSTX. I close this out, and then I buy something else. I'll buy one of these, I'll start trading one of these and these guys at all. I don't need to trade every single time. And my goal in option trading is to get $100 a week. That's it. It doesn't matter if I trade in Palantir, Netflix, or whatever, $100 a week. Whatever, give me $100 a week, and it's good so far. So now I'm at $100 a week. So it's moving up. When I started the journey, it was $5. Now I'm looking at only $100 a week. And eventually I'm going to get, $200 a week, $300 a week. Just keep building up that way. All right. I think I went on a long time now, so I'll leave it up to anybody ask me any questions, any comments.
Listen, I know how to use margin.
A lot of people ask a question about GIAX because I like block BLOX. They want to know if I'm buying GIAX.
No.
If I were to buy, it would have been my Robin Hood account.
Listen to me. That's Tyson, Tidal, Poison. That's Yield Max, off-brand. Have a nice day. And soon, I'll make you the video. I got everything ready. I got all kinds of... I got XCT, I got XPay, I got Maggie, I got WPay, okay? This was a real shitter today. Oh my God, right down there I closed. It was so great, $157. Oh, anyway, I have to go. Subscribe, leave a comment. It's the only reason I do this for your comments. I enjoy the comments. I'm a comment whore. Have a nice day.